Welcome everybody, you're watching my YouTube channel DriveToChill, and in this video I am driving from German city or small town, medium-sized town called Bad Homburg vor der Höhe. So its name is Bad Homburg, and vor der Höhe means that it is before the high mountains in this region. You might able to see in the video as well, if you're watching on a bigger screen, the mountains in the background where the sun is actually setting now. So it's kind of a west direction. Yep. So in this video I'm driving from Bad Homburg to Steinbach im Taunus. So they both are actually located in the north of Frankfurt city. So in Germany there are like two Frankfurts, and the one I'm referring is the Frankfurt am Main, or Frankfurt at the Main river. So nevertheless, Bad Homburg is really nice, beautiful town, and it is one of the cities that offers the proper rehabilitation, and its air is very healthy, and it's a very nice and clean city as well. So in this video I will try to drive not on the autobahn, but driving by small towns and other places. So it's a bit rush hour, or I would say it's a Friday evening, so maybe we will face some traffic in our way. So this is the small patch between Bad Homburg and Oberursel, so where I can drive like 70, and then the speed will be reduced to 50, and then suddenly to 30. The dead driving speed, in my opinion, is very slow. I would say 40 is reasonable, but 30 is really slow. Also, like the city name is Bad Homburg vor der Höhe, and Höhe is referring to the high mountains here in this region. So the highest mountain in this region is the Feldberg im Schmitten, Feldberg. So it's roughly, I guess it's 900 meters or something like that, or 800 meters high from the sea level. Right now it's January, end of January, and in this year we have a bit less snow. Usually if you go to the Feldberg you can always find some snow and a nice view of the whole Rhine-Main valley as well. Sure enough, if you have the a good handy or a camera, you can also take some beautiful photos of Frankfurt city as well, like the panoramic photos here. So now we are entering in the Oberursel, so it's a nearby city from Bad Homburg and near to Frankfurt as well. The sun is about to set actually, not sunset, set I would say, and it will be like in 10 minutes from now, and right now it's like 5:15 ish time. So yeah, So if there are like no clouds, then the light is really nice, and we can see sometimes really like pink color of the sky, and things like that, So yeah, why I'm driving to Steinbach, because there is a very nice pizzeria. It's called like Galaxy Pizza pizzeria. So why I like it, because they have a very nice Pakistani cook, and they modify or make the pizza the way I like. I like a bit spicy, and I can customize some ingredients and so on. And they have also like halal pizza, so I don't have to worry about rest of the stuff, where the meat is coming from, so it's halal, So please enjoy the views of these small German towns. I will stop talking now, because there is not so much to talk. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, and also if you have not subscribed to the channel, please also subscribe. And if you feel that you would like to see some specific areas of Germany, then I will also try to make the videos. Please add that into the comments, so that I know that you guys would like to have. So see you guys in my other videos as well. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy the views with some music. Bye bye.